पिछले दिनों आपके ही एमपी स्वाति मालीवाल ने आरोप लगाए, आपके खिलाफ भी लगाए थे, वो उसका पता नहीं क्या हुआ, लेकिन आपके जो पीए हैं उनके ऊपर लगाए। तो वो हुआ क्या उस दिन? किसी को कुछ पता नहीं है, बहुत सारे डिफरेंट वर्जन्स आर कमिंग आउट। कैन यू एलैबोरेट अ लिटिल बिट?
अब मामला कोर्ट में चला गया है, पुलिस उसकी जांच कर रही है। सो मैं इस पे अभी टिप्पणी नहीं करना चाहूँगा, बिकॉज जो भी मैं टिप्पणी करूँगा उसको उधेड़ के वो इट विल अफेक्ट द प्रोसीडिंग्स।
बट फैक्ट्स
मैं
तो बता
उम्मीद
सकते हैं।
करता हूँ कि न्याय होना चाहिए, जस्टिस मिलना चाहिए, फेयर इन्वेस्टिगेशन होनी चाहिए। एक इधर इनका पक्ष है, एक उनका पक्ष है, दोनों पक्ष को पुलिस अच्छे से जांच करके और फिर उस पर न्याय होना चाहिए।
CM Arvind Kejriwal also claimed that police wanted to interrogate his parents. He took to social media platform X to say that he was waiting for the police with his parents as the police called and asked for time to quiz his parents. Hours later, he also issued a video message making an appeal to Prime Minister Modi, asking the Prime Minister to not drag his parents in this Modi versus Kejriwal fight. Take a look.
प्रधानमंत्री जी, आपने मुझे झुकाने और तोड़ने की अभी तक बहुत कोशिशें की। आपने एक एक करके मेरे कई विधायकों को गिरफ्तार किया, लेकिन मैं नहीं टूटा। फिर आपने मेरे मंत्रियों को गिरफ्तार किया, लेकिन आप मुझे नहीं झुका पाए। फिर आपने मुझे गिरफ्तार कर लिया। तिहाड़ में तरह तरह से मुझे प्रताड़ित करके मुझे तोड़ने की कोशिश की गई, लेकिन मैं नहीं टूटा। लेकिन आज तो आपने सारी हदें, सारी सीमाएं पार कर दी। आपने मुझे तोड़ने के लिए मेरे बूढ़े और बीमार माँ बाप को निशाना बनाया। क्या आपको लगता है मेरे माता पिता गुनहगार हैं? आपकी लड़ाई मुझसे है। मेरे माता पिता को प्रताड़ित करना बंद कर दीजिए।
Now, in a latest post shared by Swati Maliwal, the AAP MP has alleged a smear campaign by the party. She further claimed that she was threatened, abused, and trolled mercilessly. She's alleged that the troll is close to Bibhav Kumar and has asked the Delhi police to take cognizance. Shivani is joining us on the broadcast with more details. Shivani, Swati Maliwal is hitting out at Aam Aadmi Party. Remember earlier she said that every person in the party has been given a job to malign her, to assassinate her character. And now she says that she's being trolled online, and one of the trolls, according to Swati Maliwal, is linked to or close to Bibhav Kumar.
See, Swati, it's day 11 of the assault that happened on the 13th of May, and no word of sympathy has come from either the Chief Minister or Atishi or other party members of Aam Aadmi Party. Instead, what Swati Maliwal has said that they are threatening her of violence, they are instigating violence, and there's a whole lot of troll army that has been given a task to character assassinate her and to instigate violence against Swati, and that's what she is mentioning in this fresh tweet today, where she has quote tweeted a tweet which says that which literally says that she should have been assaulted. At least that could have given satisfaction. So these kind of words are coming in from this particular tweet that is by the name of Amir Ladka Amit Kumar, and what Swati is pointing out that he is somebody who's quite close to Bibhav Kumar, and police must take cognizance of this tweet and a number of tweets that are there. They are trying to malign the image of Aam Aadmi Party's their own MP Swati Maliwal, and she's being shamed by the party leaders themselves and also the workers of Aam Aadmi Party, and she has been alleging that these workers have been given a task to find old videos of Swati to shame her, and not a word of sympathy has come.
Stay on with us, Shivani. Let's take a look at this latest post by Swati Maliwal. Amita is joining us with more on this.
Right, Swati, as far as Swati Maliwal here is concerned, because she has been either putting out, of course, we have seen the most extensive interview with her with the news agency ANI, but she's been quite active on social media as well. Now, there have been certain individuals who have been siding with Swati Maliwal, also Vandana Singh being a part of the DCW as well, because now she's been calling certain pictures saying कि बताया जा रहा है कि ये सब शख्स आरोपी के करीबी दोस्त है, कृपया संज्ञान ले दिल्ली पुलिस, and this is an instigation to violence against Swati Maliwal. Delhi police, please take action. second, Swati Maliwal, you must report such handles who are running this hate and character assassination campaign based on edited and unauthentic material. So this is with regards to what Swati Maliwal has been alleging in her interview as well. Swati saying that there is a troll army that has now been set on her to tarnish her image, to malign her reputation.
All right, Amita, thank you for getting us the details. Let's go back to Shivani. Shivani, in fact, Swati Maliwal also claimed that, the party wants to do character assassination, victim shaming, and she's highlighting how the chief minister was seen with Vibhav Kumar. So, Swati Maliwal, they're responding to the statements coming from the chief minister saying she does not trust him when they say that they want a fair probe in it.
See, Swati has already highlighted in one of her posts in last 10 days that the lady who was a lady Singham for the chief minister has now become a conspirer. That's what she's saying. And she's also saying that they are trying to malign her image. They are trying to character assassinate her. They are trying to shame her as a victim. And she's also saying that the assault that took place in the CM's residence, in his presence, in which chief minister is not even saying a word. He's not uttering anything except for what he said after 10 days, where he has been claiming that there should be a just investigation, fair investigation in this whole matter. So now Swati Maliwal is saying that it's her own party members. They are trying to shame her and they are not speaking a word against Vibhav Kumar, who is the close aide of chief minister, and he was present there. Chief minister was present there, and his presence, in fact, this has all happened. And we've already shown our viewers how Vibhav Kumar was seen travelling with Arvind Kejriwal and Sanjay Singh in Lucknow. And later on, when the FIR was lodged in serious sections, even after that, he was with Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. That's what the manifest of his travel is showing, Swati. So this is the kind of embarrassment that has also come to the Aam Aadmi Party, including the Chief Minister, where they are not speaking a word of sympathy for Swati Maliwal while she is being shamed as a victim.
And this has been picked up by the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is questioning the High Command of the Aam Aadmi Party, hitting out at Kejriwal. Shivani, stay on with us. Let's listen to what the BJP is saying.
How low Arvind Kejriwal has fallen from the days when he positioned himself as an anti-corruption crusader, from the days when he used to speak out during the Nirbhaya tragedy, the Nirbhaya atrocity, how he used to talk about the safety of women, the dignity of women, to now being reduced to a chief minister who is now not lifting a finger to help a woman MP of his own party who has been abused and subjected to this kind of abuse in his own official residence. Worse double standards and hypocrisy and U-turns than any other politician in the history of India.
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी सिर्फ ड्रामा करते हैं। हम सब जानते हैं कि वो विक्टिम कार्ड खेलते रहते हैं और पता नहीं क्यों। आप मुद्दे पे सवाल कीजिए, मुद्दे पे चर्चा कीजिए। ये कहना कि आपको टारगेट किया गया, जब ये सिद्ध होता है कि आपने इतना पैसों का भ्रष्टाचार किया, जब आपके पार्टी में महिला सुरक्षित नहीं, तब आप उसके ऊपर टिप्पणी नहीं करेंगे। और अब तो आप आपके माता पिता तक आप पहुँचे। मैं सिर्फ ये कहूँगी, स्टिक टू द स्टैंड, डोंट गेट इनटू व्हाटअबाउटरी एंड डोंट play the victim card, Mr. Kejriwal.
Congress Patiala candidate slams up. So not just the BJP now, some in the Congress also voicing their opinion. Here is a Congress Neta candidate from Patiala Lok Sabha seat and former AAP MP Dharamveer Gandhi, who says that Kejriwal himself is known for conspiracies.
बिल्कुल मुमकिन है। ये साजिशी पार्टी है। केजरीवाल खुद साजिशी बंदा है। मैं उसको अच्छी तरह जानता हूँ। जिस साजिश के तहत प्रशांत भूषण जोगिंदर यादव को निकाला गया और जो उस समय जो माहौल बनाया गया, उससे मैं तो भयभीत हो गया था, इसलिए मैंने पार्टी छोड़ दिया।